Hi guys, this is Christina Gilbo, and I'm so privileged and honored to interview one of the delegates from Ivory Coast. Uh, he's he's actually the first one who hit the U.S. travel incentives, who came here, and this is Pastor El Val. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Pastor Valentine from Ivory Coast, West Africa, and I'm so glad to be here. To God be the glory. Like she just said, I hit the qualification in the Philippines in the month of May, and here we are in the USA. We've been touring the country, and it's so wonderful. I just want to tell my fellow friends, colleague pastors, that AIM Global is a business a man of God can do, and it is so easy to do. Very easy to do, because everything about network marketing is time freedom and financial freedom.
Yeah.
Over here, you don't have a boss, you are your own boss.
Yeah.
So you decide how and when you want to do your business. So I urge all my friends, all my colleagues, let's do the business. I believe that AIM Global is a life-changing business.
Yes.
I can say it by the grace of God. Next year, April, will be 2 years since I joined the business.
Wow.
But I can say that by God's grace, I have achieved a lot. That my life have changed.
Wow.
That I am no more the same. So God bless. Let's do AIM Global. Away.
Power. Okay, I just have a couple of questions. Like, as a pastor, how did you manage to do your network or to do this business?
Oh, like I said, MLM is a business where you don't have your own boss. I mean, you are your own boss. So you can set your own time to do your business. You know, that's why I chose MLM, because not like any other job where there is a time to go and a time to come home.
Yeah.
You know, over here you decide, you fix your program, and you go according to your program.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and one thing I said, like I said, LMLM will give you time freedom and financial freedom to be able to do the work of the Lord.
Wow.
Like today, by the grace of God, I can do the work of God whenever or whatever I want to do it, because I have the time freedom.
Yes.
And I have the financial freedom
Wow.
to do it.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm not limited by time.
Yes.
I'm not limited by money.
Wow. Wow, wow. Have you heard, guys? And one thing that really inspired me so much is that being a pastor, it's really not just, as you said, it's not just finances. It's not just in finances, but also with having the time freedom. And I love their job as like, you know, they're winning souls at the same time. They're also like helping people to have you know, to change their life, not just in spiritual, you know, aspects of their life. And, okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, bye bye. Okay, this is Paul again. Okay.
Bonjour les amis, je veux dire, je suis le pasteur Valentin de la Côte d'Ivoire. Appelez-moi Elval, c'est mon petit nom. Par la grâce de Dieu, en avril de l'année prochaine, ça va faire 2 ans que je fais l'activité d'Alliance in Motion Global. Et je peux le dire sans me tromper, que Dieu a utilisé ce véhicule-là pour m'aider financièrement. Je crois qu'un homme de Dieu a besoin de la liberté financière et la liberté de temps. Donc je peux le dire aujourd'hui que AIM peut vous aider en tant qu'homme de Dieu si vous faites cette activité. Donc je vous invite à faire Alliance in Motion Global. Ça va vous permettre de vous qualifier. Par exemple, ma qualification m'a permis d'aller en Philippines en mai.
Wow.
Et maintenant, ce mois de novembre, nous sommes aux États-Unis. 12 jours, tout frais payés. Nous sommes dans les meilleurs endroits des États-Unis, les meilleurs hôtels. C'est extraordinaire ce que Dieu peut faire à AIM. Donc, nous bénissons le nom de Dieu. Ciao, ciao. Je vous invite. Faites Alliance in Motion Global. Power!
Yeah! I'm sure everything that he said is positive and encouraging and inspiring, so I'm cheering for him. And I thank you so much.